Joining us on the telecast. Meanwhile, 31 Maoists have been killed in an encounter with security forces in the forest under the National Park area of district Bijapur. 2 Jawans also lost their lives in the encounter, and bodies of Maoists have been recovered, and arms and ammunition at the district headquarters. Meanwhile, SP Jitendra Kumar issued a statement stating that a joint team of DRG and STF was conducting an anti-Maoist operation. An encounter took place today. Bodies of 31 Maoists have been recovered. Let's in fact listen in to what he said.
नेशनल पार्क एरिया में डीआरजी और एसटीएफ की संयुक्त टीमें नक्सल विरोधी अभियान पे निकली थी और आज सुबह 8 बजे से ही लगातार एक्सचेंज ऑफ फायर होता रहा। एक्सचेंज ऑफ फायर होने के बाद में सर्चिंग के दौरान 31 माओवादियों के शव बरामद हुए, जिसमें 20 पुरुष और 11 महिला नक्सलियों के शव बरामद हुए। उसके साथ ही AK-47, SLR, इंसास और रॉकेट लॉन्चर के समेत कई सारे ऑटोमेटिक हथियार भी बरामद हुए हैं। इस दौरान हमारे 2 जवान शहीद हो गए और 2 जवान गंभीर रूप से घायल थे, जिनका इलाज।
We have with us my colleague Aditya Wadhwan joining us on the telecast. Aditya, what are the latest developments that are coming in terms of this encounter that has taken place in Bijapur?
Yeah, as you rightly pointed out, 31 Maoists have been killed in the encounter, and 2 soldiers of security Jawans have also lost their lives in the encounter. And now it is very significant. You know, I mean, a large amount of weapons cache has been recovered from these Naxalites, you know, which suggests that they were planning to do something big. You know, they were planning to ambush, as per some reports, they were planning to ambush a security convoy in and around the Bijapur area. You know, it is a routine thing that, you know, these Naxalites do things. They ambush and just run away. They ambush, they kill some security people and then just run away. So it is a major breakthrough as far as for the security forces, as far as the Bijapur area is concerned. You know, yesterday Home Minister Amit Shah has also said, you know, that the Naxalism has to be eradicated by March 2026. So it is in this direction only, because that the security forces are strengthening and carrying out such operations against the Naxalites. Yes, Riya.
All right, Aditya, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast and sharing those details. President Draupadi Murmu is visiting the Mahakumbh today, marking her presence with a ceremony